Bow pair, little tap, go. Together. That's fine. Come to the front. Square up. Bow, little tap. Nice, relax, nice and smooth. Bow pair, tap together, go. Okay, and place. And loose. Ready. Legs buried. Bow, little tap. Loose. Loose. Finish. There. Square. Square. Now lengthen out. Lengthen out. And wind one. Wind two. Back into. In one. And hip swing. Hip swing. Hip swing. Stay long and together. Long in the water. We're gaining. Let's sit tall. Sit up. And press swing. Press swing. Press swing. Time of the slide. And long set. Long set. Sit tall and long. Take the time of the slide. Finish together. And finish now. More power. Stroke side. All the power. All the power. Stroke side. All the stroke side. Yep, keep going. Yep, that's it. Perfect. Clear line. Let's press it away. Now let's take down Teddy. Spin finishes. Ready. Wind down. Okay. Yep. Either